And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. Someone who's watched me for more than 2 weeks may notice that we're in the living room. And over my shoulder here's the front door and the outside world. That's not what's important right now. What's important is this stuff here on the table. Yeah. Okay. Let's zoom in here a little bit for you. Here, my shear line horizontal milling conversion. The biggest part of it, the aluminum plate. You bolt your XY base. That's this 2, and I've got it backwards. They wanted this here, and I used to have one of these here so that I could do the horizontal mill bit. All right? Well, I can still do that here. I'm a little bit off of center, but you know, that's extra length out here. Always useful. Anyway, now, my plan, you see I've got this bolted here loosely with 2 Allen screws. This can lift off and land over there. And this one can lift off over here. Bang. Now, my 8 mil, my 8 direction, my San Marcos head, my San Marcos arm, I call it. Okay? This can go like so. Hold still, you. Right? So I've got vertical milling. Well, I've got San Marcos arm. San Marcos. I call it the San Marcos arm. San Marcos head, you know, because that's a town in Southern California near where this thing here was designed. Can't call it a Bridgeport head, Bridgeport arm, right? It's not a Bridgeport. Anyway, it is the 8 direction vertical milling column. Boy, that's a lot of verbiage, ain't it? I call it the San Marcos. San Marcos arm. Okay, yeah. My new idea. They're here. And this one here I could now shoot the spindle of my shear line mill straight down here. Neat, huh? Sit you down over here with your little brother. So what am I going to have to do to this stuff here to make it work? Well, a couple of quarter 20 holes here to hold down the back end of this. Drill and tap, clearance hole, bolted in place. Drill, tap. Got a couple of holes that are convenient here. And they're countersunk on the back for the quarter 20. So, a couple of quarter 20s, bolt this baby here. And I just got to jockey the columns around. Big project. You can see big parts. So, this is coming up. This is coming up shortly, very shortly. Especially since I got to get this done before I can fix my laser center finder. I tore apart the battery capsule to get it out. I ordered a new one. I'm going to do a little surgery. That'll probably be a 3 or 4 video playlist all by itself. Until then, Poppy's saying good night from California. Stay safe. There's still diseases out there. Even if you're not afraid of COVID, there's still diseases. Take precautions. Good night from California.